Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Barbuto Family channel. We are here checking out of our hotel in a little while in Trapani, and we're going to head over to the port where we will take a boat to Favignana. So we're having a delicious breakfast. You got to check out this breakfast spread here. What did you eat this morning?
Just pancakes, eggs, water. And I also had some of this zucca.
Oh, that's good. Oh, that's Sicilian orange juice. This is red. This here is Sicilian cassata cake. Very traditional here in Sicily. Mmm. Oh, that's good. Wow, that is delicious. Want to taste a little bit?
What is this?
It's cassata cake, Siciliano. On a scale of 1 to 10. What does that mean?
A 5.
Just a 5? On our way to Favignana, we go first. Yeah. We have lunch there, and then we go to Lanzo. Lanzo is another island of the Agadi Islands, and this is Vito, Capitano Vito.
Hi, good morning.
Vito is from Trapani, born and raised in Trapani. And he is a professional boater.
Yep.
You're a captain for also sailboats.
Yeah, exactly.
Do you do racing?
Yes.
Oh.
Is it today the boat day or no?
Today is a better boat day than yesterday. I
When
thought
you
to
listen
wait.
to your wife?
Yeah, it was my idea. Vito, hai una fidanzata?
No, I'm single.
Single. He's a single man. And I asked him earlier if he prefers the women in Trapani or Palermo.
I prefer Trapani.
Trapani. The women in Trapani are cleaner and they're more beautiful.
And not too much busy.
They're too busy in Palermo? Yeah, I can see because it's more city life there.
But we're not gonna go in the cave from the boat. We're gonna jump in the water and then swim.
Are you ready to jump in the water and go in the cave? But we cannot bring Camilla. Camilla, you cannot come with us. You cannot come because you don't know how to swim yet, and you don't have a life vest that's small enough for you. So you have to stay in here, right? Or you want her to come?
She has to stay.
She has to stay. But when you get to be a little bigger, then you can come in the water to the caves with us. Okay,
You
baby
cannot
girl?
swim yet.
No, she cannot swim yet.
So when she gets a little bit like 3, she was gonna like learn a little bit.
Yeah, I just swam over from the boat to the caves, and I couldn't bring the phone initially because Sofia over there was on my back like a little monkey. So Brianna did us a favor. She swam back to the boat and she brought the phone.
She also got her phone.
And she got her phone too. Okay, thank you, Brianna. Let's see what Leo's gonna show us. Wow, look at this cave here. This is not a natural cave, Rovena. I mean, they did something here years ago.
Leo thinks that there was a castle.
I think there was a castle.
Leo noticed that there's some writing in there.
Yeah, see? It looks like over here. There's letters here.
Too bad we didn't bring a chisel and a hammer. We could have written our own names in the wall. Wow, look in here. Can you believe it? We gotta ask Vito what this was. This is incredible.
After when we go back to the boat, I'm gonna jump off. I don't know why I didn't bring shoes. No one brought shoes because it feels so bad.
Obviously, this was man-made. Look at this. You know, you have the pillars here. Look how the ceiling is. We just don't know what the purpose was yet. We're gonna find out from Vito. Leo has a theory. Leo, what's your theory as to the purpose of this?
Maybe for like culture, or maybe like it's the mafia's headquarters where they hide prisoners and money.
Oh, Mafia's headquarters.
There had to be prisoners. Like, look at this. This looks broken down because it was like, I don't know how many 100 years ago, but definitely a lot. 8 million years ago.
Okay, Sophie thinks it's 8 million years old.
That was BC.
And what do you think is the purpose of this, Sophie?
I don't know. Guys,
Whoa.
look what we found.
Whoa, that's a ditch. Wait a second. That looks like somebody put stairs down there. Look at that. Those look like stairs. So Leo thinks that somebody's buried in here.
There's a dead end. Why would they put stairs? So maybe they just buried somewhere.
Well, you know what? This could be maybe the prison where the bad people went. They like put them down in this ditch, this hole. And there's the stairs for them to get down, and they had to stay in the hole. And maybe there was...
Well, maybe they just...
Maybe they put like a cover over it, and they had to stay there. Yeah, a dungeon.
They put like a bunch of bad people in there, and then sealed it up with stone.
They could be. Wow, look in here. Wow, look at this. This is incredible. Come on, the baby's waiting for us.
Guess what I found over there? When I just got on the boat, I saw these like sail bars. I don't know if you guys can see it, but they're over there.
What happened, Brianna?
Stub my toe. What happened to me?
Vito, you know what you're doing? You know how to do that?
Yeah, every day.
Cos'è la storia?
That's a quarry. It's made by human.
Yes, it's not a prison thing?
No.
Oh.
They took like a blocks for build a house and other things
Oh,
like that.
okay. All right. So what they did was it was a quarry to take the rocks to build the houses. So they would take the rocks, put it in the boats, bring them over to Trapani and build the houses right there. Okay, that makes sense because there's like a whole bunch of squares cut out all throughout the quarry. We're riding through right now what is known as the Red Bay. And the reason why is in the Punic Wars in 200 or something BC, there was a huge battle here between the Romans and the Carthagini. And there was so much blood here in the ocean that the whole ocean was red. And that's why they got the name the Red Bay. We arrived in Favignana, and Vito is saying that this area over here was one of the most important tuna factories. This island is known for the tuna fish.
Yeah, that's the tuna, the tufo stone, nothing else. This is the Florio's house. Now it's a museum.
And how many people live in Favignana?
In Favignana, around 3,000 people in the winter, 60,000.
60,000 in the summer. And it's about 10 miles from Trapani. Yeah. Where apparently they don't make tuna fish here anymore. But this is the old tuna fish factory here. But he did recommend when you're in Favignana, you have to eat the tuna fish for lunch. One of the main families of this tuna fish enterprise here is the Florio family, and they are Calabrese. This was the factory here, and this is where the Florio family lived. Beautiful villa here, but unfortunately it's vacant. I mean, looks like it has so much potential. I got tuna fish. It's a red tuna with caramelized onion. How's that ice cream, Leo?
Amazing. I bet I can eat 10 of these in 1 hour.
It's amazing. Really, really nice. And you can also stand there because there are some rocks. Hold on, baby. Oh, Vito, guarda.
I haven't seen you act like this since you were giving birth.
Amore, it hurts. It's burning. It's burning. It's
Where?
burning.
Where is it hurting?
Here and here. You see how red I am?
Oh, we just arrived at another Agadi island called Lanzo. This is smaller than Favignana. There's only about 20 families live here all year round. And in the summers, there's about maybe 800 people. So mainly it's just a fishing community. They do have some beaches and nice little areas to swim. Hopefully there's less jellyfish here.
Guys, this is how professional people
We're here in Lanzo, and we just caught this sea urchin. The sea urchin is called ricci in Italiano. And what you do is you have to get your pinky and take the eggs right out, and that's how we eat it here, like that. Ooh, you got to be careful because it's very sharp. It's hard to get. Difficile. Okay, look at that. All right, let's go for it. Ready? Wow, delicious. We had such a great time today at Egadi Boating. Egadi Boating is so accommodating. They went above and beyond. Thank you so much. And Vito was fantastic. He is not only the #1 captain, but he was also our friend today. He was a tour guide, he was a nurse, he was a DJ, and he did everything. So thank you so much. I appreciate it. So everybody, you guys come in Trapani, call Egadi and see Vito. On our way back to San Vito, we have to drive through a town called Purgatorio, and they have this cannoli shop here, which is famous because apparently they have the biggest cannolis. So we're told we had to stop here to taste the cannoli. So let's see what they have. The nice baker is going to show us how she makes the cannoli. Grazie, grazie. Wow. Look how they do the cannoli. Whoa. E cos'è questo? Cioccolato?
Filetto di arancia condita.
Oh my God, buonissimo. Grazie, buono. Why didn't you want to taste the cannoli?
I haven't liked cannoli since I tried it at Bolis.
What about you? We arrived back in San Vito Lo Capo, walking around Centro. We're gonna do something light tonight. And Sofia, as you've guessed, is whining. And the reason why she's whining is that all this beautiful hair that she has, she wants to do it over. Because she said the lady that did it the first time didn't align one of the braids to the middle of her head. So she wants to spend the money to do the whole thing over. And I said that we cannot do that because it was expensive and her hair already looks beautiful. Look how beautiful that looks. Look how beautiful that looks. Well guys, thank you so much for watching our video of the Egadi Islands. Tomorrow we have another special video. We have something planned. I'm not going to tell you yet because it's a surprise. I'm going to leave you with a hint. Okay?
And it's cannoli.
And then stay tuned for the next vlog. Have a good night.